Alright guys, so today let's talk about SUMVLOOKUP. So how do we do with SUMVLOOKUP? To use SUMVLOOKUP, we're simply saying that VLOOKUP, go and look for these certain numbers, and if you find these certain items, I want you to sum them together and then give me the total sum. So on a good day, what we would have done is to say that sum, okay, sum January down to December, right? Then give me this item, right, which is fine. However, what we are going to be doing instead of this is to say that I want you to go look for revenue, and then if we're in March, I want you to give me 1 2 3 4 5, give me all those items that we need, right? So that is what we are going to use some to do. Well, we can use some VLOOKUP to do so many things. Some people do use it for year to date, some use it for some other things, and find a way to make it dynamic. But here we're not going to make it really dynamic. I'm just going to write it and the way it is, and then probably I'm going to make it dynamic by combining it with offsets. But first thing first, let's get you to understand this. So what you need to do is sum equals sum, right? Now before you put any number, you're going to write another formula, which is a VLOOKUP. Say VLOOKUP, I want you to find revenue, right? I want you to look for revenue in this. This is the first column where we have this our revenue, right? Then I want you to extend to all this table, which is fine. I want this to be fixed. Yeah, so if this is fixed, okay, so what I want you to do again, now you can now use your March function, right, to say, okay, March, are we in March? If you're in March, then fine, I want you to sum this up, but this will still going to return just a single value. So what we need to do here, you have to use a curly bracket here. Now you have to manually specify that, okay, so we're in March, so I wanted to add, this is 1, I wanted to add January down to March, which is going to be 2 3 then 4, right? Since that is where we are right now, right? Then I wanted to return the exact March, okay, then close this, then close our sum, and sum will give you the figure that's up to March. So if you add this, this is up to March. So what this is simply telling us is, if you're able to find revenue here, I wanted to add it up to March. So this could be anything. Let's say this could be something else. Let's say boom, I don't know, whatever, and then I'll just say this is boom. So then it's going to add the, let's say, a product. So we can just say, okay, let's say we have this product. If you're able to find this product, then I want you to add the figure you're able to find there up to March. Then we can extend this to everything we have here. Then here, so what's the cost of production? So look for cost of production. What is this? What is this? So boom, this is this. I mean, so we can extend this to whatever you using this for. Well, there are reasons why we normally use this, but most of the time is when you are doing year to date, and then you need to update your template with your year to date figures. Just specify this when in March, and then you continue to just extend this. So if you are in April, then you extend this to April by writing 5, right? So making it 4, then 5. Yeah, then this will give you up to 5, right? So that is how you do year to date, or probably use some VLOOKUP to do some amazing things in your model, or in whatever you want to use it for. So thank you guys. I'm going to elaborate more on this in some of my other videos in the future, probably when I'm doing with offset. I'll probably just do a kind of a video to show that you can make this dynamic. Thank you guys for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.